Hey everyone, you got the Bub031 here, and today we're going to be working on this Walthers grain bin. This is the second one that I've built so far, but I'll give you a quick step-by-step of how to quickly get this thing up. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alrighty, so this is the Walthers grain bin. Not a bad little kit so far. I find they're easy. Some people say they're hard to make, so let's get to start right off. I've already taken the base plate out, as you can see here. And I'm going to pull out one of the spews. These spews, the sections come in 8 different positions, but you only need 6 for each ring. It tells you in the instructions to go up 10. You can make 11 though. If you have 2 kids, you can make another ring going up. So now we're at that. Let's get the first ring built. As you can see, 6 pieces done. That's the first ring. And just bear with me. We're just going to keep stacking up until we get up to the 10th area. So, bear with me. We'll be back with you in a quick second. Alright. That took a little bit. That's 8 rings right now. I still got 2 more rings to go. Then I still got to add the top and the vents up top, as well where I'm going to place this on the module. So, bear with me as we just finish this guy up, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Alright, I got all 10 layers up, the base is on, and I got the roof done with the roof vents. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it. First I'm going to do a black coat, the base coat to get it nice and dark, and then I'm going to do a silver coat. So, just bear with me, and we'll see what happens in the next little bit. Okay, so we did a coat of black on the inside and on the outside just as a base coat, and then I'm added a silver to it just to finish it up. It's just about ready to go, and we're just gonna wrap this up here. Okay, so here's some of the kits that's going to be going with the Bojo. There is the first one I did. There's the second bin I did. The grain conveyor up top with the dryer down here. Still lots to do for that module, which will be giving you updates on later down the road. So, thanks for watching, everyone. And as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.